And if you notice, this headlight isn't working. That is just a depot placeholder while we do a full retrofit. So if that's something you're interested in, you should subscribe, and we'll dig deep into why the Audi A3 headlights suck. And it doesn't matter if you get the bi-xenons or the LEDs. In fact, the LEDs are worse, but they're all terrible. Alright, thanks for watching.